LS swap project. We got to hook up the motor mount up here on this side. So she fits in a place with the universal style, but the mount is at about a 180 degree like off. So we actually gotta weld that bad boy. We already had put a slit in it. This side fit perfectly. I know they got universal fits for this, but I don't feel like going through all that with all the time that we've already lost. So I'm just tack welding it in place so I can leave it as is for now. I'm actually gonna come back with some piece of metal and actually weld it in that place. So this thing will be perfect for this side. It's gonna be custom as crap, fitted for this only. Now, since I was actually about to leave, I'm going ahead, I'm gonna throw the intake on. I don't want any types of bugs, anything like that to get in the way, or should I say, get inside the motor while we are not doing nothing for the freaking weekend. So, kind of time lapse and throwing this intake on. It's just 8mm bolts, like 10 of them. So if you have a LS, it's gonna be very freaking similar. I'm stuffing the water pump hole with a rag. Of course, I don't want anything getting inside this. Although I'm going to have to take off this intake anyways when I get back so that I can hoist it back up to weld on that piece. Now I'm just putting the wires here so obviously I don't lose them. We're pretty much trying to get this thing ready so we can throw the wire harness on there and keep it moving from there. We got one of our boys, Sam's Racing, is gonna come over and help us turn this thing on while it's in the vehicle. Got some long tube headers for this thing, but those things are not about to fit in there. We're either gonna have to do some fabricating or go with shorter exhaust, and I'm opting for the shorter exhaust, but it all depends on what the customer wants to do and how much money he's willing to spend on this. So this is one, he's a cowboy fan, so we made this motor cowboy theme. Lastly, chunking on this hood. This thing is not easy to do by yourself. Trust me, it took me 15 minutes. I recorded it, but I didn't put it in here. So make sure y'all follow the channel.